Hello everyone and welcome to my channel and welcome to another vlog. Now you may have noticed I'm in some sort of a car park, which is true. Now I am here at this festival called as the Gulf Car Festival. It is supposed to be one of the biggest car festivals of gathering of supercars, kit cars, some really nice and okay kind of modified cars, and apparently there are about 1,000 cars that are going to be gathering. Yes, 1,000 cars that are going to be gathering in this very car park. You can hear all the pops and the bangs. But this festival essentially is in its 5th year now. There have been 4 years before, and this one is the 5th year, and it seems to be very big. There are car companies, wrapping companies, and all these modified cars. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you all some of the best cars, and not the entire car park because it's pretty much the same. But the cars that I like, I'm going to show you all, which are unique and not that you've seen anywhere else. So without wasting much time, let's check them out. And straight away I found that car. It's called the SS Chevy. Now bear in mind, I am not really into classic cars, so if I don't know some of the cars or I take some wrong names, feel free to correct me in the comment section and let me know which cars are they. Now check that out. The color is on point on this, and check the interior. It's pretty white. It's called the SS Chevy. And check this out. I don't know if this is the replica. I'm guessing this is the replica of the Shelby Cobra. And we have this. It's called the Stingray with a matte black color. It's the Corvette, the old, that's the old Corvette Stingray. Check that out. It's a neatly maintained car and a matte black. Matte black always works. Not on all cars, but yes, it does. Check that out. Check this special one, a Mini. Now that's a very prepped up, pretty cool. I don't know if so many stickers are on it, but oh, I love this car. It's such a cute little car. Then we have this, which is a Toyota, I don't know, whatever it's called. GD200, Toyota GD200. I'm not too sure. The shape looks very familiar to a Shelby. Again, correct me if I am wrong. That's a Datsun. And look at this gold Porsche 911 Turbo, a classic turbo. Sorry about the music in the background, it's too loud. Check them out. Check this Porsche. Another really interesting car. Not a car, but check it out for yourself. There is a bit of sunlight coming directly on the camera. I'm gonna go behind and show it to you. It's an original H1. Now I'm not really a fan of the Hummers, but H1 was something which was really nice. Why? Not a fan of H2 and H3, let me tell you that. But H1 particularly because it was pretty raw. It was just straight out of the factory how the US military was using it for their army, and that's exactly how this was produced. So that is why you see all the rawness in it, where pretty much everything, look at the shape. But this color is really nice on this. Very, very nice on this. Check that out. Another interesting car that I spotted, you can see it behind already, is this. Look at that. Like, the best part about these car shows sometimes is that you really get some really fancy cars out here to be seen, which you would never really see on roads. But check this out. This is an H2. We saw the H1. Now it's time for the H2. And look how tall this thing is. Like, now I am literally 6 feet. I gave away my height in that case. but yeah, I am 6 feet and this car is way above. Check that out. It's easily about 9 feet tall. 9 feet. And check, just check that out. Check that. Check this one. Check the dampers and the springs and the end. Oh, let me take you closer to that and see. It is so huge. I can't really proportionate this car. Like when you stand next to it, you would realize like this one is really tall. It's a toy car. It's literally a toy car. It's half the size. It's half my size. It's what? It's a mini version of a mini. Literally a mini version of a mini. Check that out. How cool is that? Again, this is the benefits, you know, of coming to a car show with nice. Look at that car, how short it is, how small it is. I don't really know how I missed this one, but this is a proper hot rod. Check that out. Look at the tires. They are broad. And check the interior. Whoa! That was literally, check that engine, how neat is that? I've never seen a hot rod in real life. Yes, this is my first time I'm seeing the hot rod. And to be honest, I'm quite impressed. Quite impressed with this one. I've found some more cars, some groups of cars actually. Now this is where the entire Dodge car group is. And there are some more out here behind, if you see all the Dodge SRTs, and wherever till you can look behind me, it's all Dodge store. And now on my back side you will see the Ford ones. Now they are all open with the bonnets. I'm gonna take you closer to some of them and show you some really interesting bit of going on out there. Check that out. Check this one out. So each car is very different. Now I can't really seem to track down the owners of these guys, where they are, because I really want to understand what has been done with these cars, because each car engine bay looks very, very, very different. Like this one looks very stock ones. This seems very different again. Other ones are close. So yeah, you get it. This is the entire Ford Mustangs and the Ford stall right behind me till there. So that is pretty much the entire car park that you can see out here. Now there are tons of cars and I literally can't show you all of them because each one has a very different character out here. The owner, you know, the taste of it, it's got a very different design, modifications. Some have stage 1, stage 2, like different levels of modifications. But essentially, this is pretty much the entire festival out here. Now, if you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to like and subscribe for more videos to come. There is another video that will be covering this event as well, which you can watch after this. And I'm going to put the link in this. Make sure to press the I need a coffee now. Make sure to press the bell icon and not to miss an update after that. That's about it. Now, see you in the next video. Bye.